When your best friend is the goofiest dog ever, but still thinks he's a genius. Welcome to a video where friendship is measured by silliness and uncontrollable laughter.
Wow! You're an idiot. You're why didn't you call me? I'm an adult.
Давай. A reunion of best friends, feet not touching the ground, but hearts already there. His tiny brain came up with these choices. The dog's mischievous behavior and clever pranks. Buddy had to use all of his brain power to get out of this tricky situation. When you see the person you like and are about to fall.
Oi, go. Oi, more passion, more passion, more passion.
When you have a goofy dog, but your sister clearly doesn't.
More footwork, more passion, more energy, more energy. Oi, 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 easy now.
Ha 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 ha, poor little one, just lying there. She's been defeated.
Get a pup, they say. Get a fucking pup, they say. For emotional support, this dog ain't did nothing but straight.
She planned an escape, got caught in the act, and still managed to get away.
Stress. And stop by my motherfucking couch.
When your dog is your best friend and is also a little goofy.
What's the most random thing that triggers your dog?
You definitely wouldn't want to be stuck with him in a rainstorm.
Come here, Willow. What did I get you? What did I get you? Bang!
Pushing too fast.
We understand your concern, I do. And you're absolutely right. He may get some bad news from other kids, but if he does, we just don't have to do.
I don't want anything to jeopardize our work or him.
This is not your wedding at work, no? It's my advantage.
The dog is doing the trust fall game with its owner.
Good morning. Can I get your paw? Get your paw? Wow, look at those teeth. That is not nice. You're fine. Oh, you're fine.
And I have not behaved one.
Bruno, the French dog, loves playing tug of war and fetching balls.
Does anyone else's dog just sit?
The way he shows love is by spending quality time together. So silly.
He just loves the company.
Hej! Hej! Dobra, koniec. Właśnie.
They are best friends and have plenty of opportunities to join in activities together.
Dinner time with Henry.
Wait, get back.
No, you're fine. Actually, I'm more than 60% done, honestly. Back up. Get back. Get back. Get good. Get back.
I hold him up. Go, 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 go.
to see Dad? Did somebody get their bone stuck to their jaw? Yeah, good thing Dad's an emergency vet.
What is she saying? She looks so serious. That tongue makes me laugh so hard.
Never mind, I forgot.
I'm scared. I'm scared. No.
They're forming a band, competing to see who's the laziest. So silly.
Louie, Louie, what's on your face? Louie.
Dexter's got a bone. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him, Petey. Get him.
This is her version of seeing Jesus on toast.
If you don't stop biting my hands, I'm gonna bite yours.
Take that, Dad.
Wearing a dog mask around my dog.
He's creating his own little game, though it's a bit silly.
You want to give him that toy?
Finally, someone came to this window to play with him.
He's so excited. What is that, Charles?
Can you get your baby? Can you?
Can you get your baby?
The second one is a safe driver. He doesn't take risks, but he's a bit goofy.
Okay, don't worry, Mom. I'll save you. I'll save you. I got it. Nope. I'm gonna save you. I can't. I'll save you, Mom. I'll save you. I'll save you. I got it. I got it.
Playtime is a lot of fun for puppies, but like kids, they crash afterward. The dog, after a day of walking, just wants to take a nap.
Bruh.
The puppy was having fun playing when suddenly he ran out of energy. He's whatever he needs to be right now. He just needs to sleep. Well, I guess this is where I rest when my energy runs out. Yes, I'm pretty tired from watching baseball too. I need a sausage. He dozed off upside down while playing with his toy. He ran out of energy before he could make it back to his bed.
Boa noite.
He said, "I'm exhausted today, so let him rest. Too tired to speak."
My baby.
He used up all his energy on the first day of work. Sometimes they refuse to go to sleep no matter how tired they are. Come on, stay strong.
How'd you know?
He was so shocked that all he could say was, "Never mind, I'm done."
Baby.
What could make him fall asleep while drinking water? Ben fell asleep after a long journey, seemingly completely out of energy. She's in a coma-like state because the new games have completely worn her out.
What on earth do you have to sigh about?
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
He's completely exhausted after hours of playing with the pile of toys. What better way to welcome your furry friend than with a workout?
DJ.
He said, "Now you know, I can't walk anymore. Don't laugh at me."
Just chilling.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room.
She ran around happily because of the new bed, and it completely drained her energy.
Over there, I'm zooming over here now, and then I'm everywhere.
He looks great for his age, but still wants to play, even though his energy is gone. I'm not a puppy anymore. I'm tired. Let me rest. He sighs as if he's paid off every bill and has nothing left. He's exhausted after playing with his ball while still holding it in his mouth. He's worn out after playtime, with just enough energy left to lift one paw. The cutest beagle had run out of energy and fell asleep while playing.
Come here. Come on. No, lay down. Lay down. No, lay down. It's okay. No.
He's fighting for the life of a dog, but his energy is gone.
Just relax.
You okay?
It takes a while to calm down after playtime because all the energy is gone. What did you play that now you can't even take a step? The adorable little angel played until she ran out of energy and fell asleep. She ran out of energy and fell asleep halfway through. Maybe he's dreaming about you and going for a walk in the park. A fun day of playing with friends has completely drained Suki. He got exhausted after playing with this for just a few minutes. Raven is exhausted. She's burned through all her energy while playing. What has worn him out so much that he can't even go inside the house? The dog is exhausted after a day of playing fetch and walking. His energy is almost completely gone. Fell asleep halfway through from running out of energy while playing with his owner. The dog ran out of energy halfway through while playing with its favorite toy. completely wore himself out playing the game alone.
这个准备铺床睡觉了，但是好像有点搞不定。
What happens when a golden retriever falls asleep halfway through playing? Oh, he looks like he's dreaming about the moment I saved the whole day. After a long playtime, the dog owner is completely drained and needs to rest. He has run out of energy along with his ball on the grass. Oh my gosh! He fell asleep with his toy. So cute! He has run out of energy while playing with his dad. He's completely drained after a long day of traveling.
I read somewhere that when a dog rolls over and shows you their belly, that's them telling you that they're not a threat. And I just think it's so adorable that Oatmeal thinks that on any level he could ever be considered threatening.
The little guy is sleeping as if he's paying the rent. My adorable Olive ran out of energy and fell asleep while playing last night. Actually, he fell asleep like this while playing. She dozed off while we were playing with the ball. Oh my gosh, so cute. Too bad he ran out of energy while playing. He's almost out of energy after playing with his dad.
When the documents were in place, Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds and then...
Party mode after peak hours. Low battery. System shut down. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay positive.